Welcome to the Python programming course, where you will learn how to write Python programs like a pro that solves real-world problems. Hello, my name is Edmond Obiri, and I will be your instructor for this course. I've been a Python programmer for a long time now with MTech in Computer Science and Engineering from IIIT, Hyderabad. This course is a complete journey from zero to hero with Python. You may be asking, why Python? Python is one of the fastest growing programming language in the world. It also projects one of the most programming language well into the future. With Python, you can create web apps, desktop app, graphical user interface, do data analysis, scientific computation, artificial intelligence softwares, and so much more. So, who is this course for? This course is designed for beginners with no previous knowledge of programming. It is also designed for other programmers already familiar with other language but want to learn Python. We will start off by showing you the different ways you can set up Python on your development environment, whether it's Windows, Mac OS or Linux. After that, we will learn the basics of the Python programming language, its syntax, data types and structures, how to use conditional statements to run programs, object-oriented programming, and so much more. Throughout this course, you will get video lectures explaining every line of code and concept clearly. This course also comes with quiz and exercise files just to make sure you're fully following up in the lectures. Also, you can download all the source code and example programs used in the lessons. You will also receive a certificate of completion so that you can show your potential employee. And finally, this course also comes with 30-day money-back guarantee. If you are not 100% satisfied at this course, I will refund you your money, no question asked. If you are all interested in programming in Python like a pro, then what are you waiting for? Enroll now to join me on this journey.